Hey bro, I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I was wondering if you could scramble this for me. Sure, no problemo. Here you go. All right, let's see. Whoa, stop. Don't turn so fast. You're gonna ruin my cube. No, I got you, bro. I promise I won't drop it. 2 hours later. All right, I think it's scrambled enough. Hey, thank you, man. All right, now I just have to solve it. Let's see how fast I can go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, you're turning so fast. Done. What do you think? Ah, get me out of here. What in the world? Hey, wait. What? Where are you going? Hey. Oh. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.